Hey y'all, it's me. It's your girl, and you already know. Like, share, and subscribe. What's up, real deal? Let's get real busy, okay? Let's get into our reaction, and our reaction is about Charlie Addison. You remember we've been working on the glamour hitman dentist. Yes, I call him glamour man, but he's a dentist, okay? And he supposed to reach his verdict, and he hired a hitman to kill his sister husband. Look, let's see what the verdict all about. Okay, thanks for watching. Hey, and another thing, thanks for walking with me through all of these trials and tribulations. You know the videos. Okay, all right, y'all. 1 second. But too little fast.
Foreperson can be seated. Has the jury reached a unanimous verdict?
Yes, Your Honor.
If you please could hand the verdict form to the bailiff. The verdict form is in its proper order. Madam Clerk, please publish the verdict.
In the Circuit Court of the Second Judicial Circuit in and for Atlanta County, Florida, the state of Florida versus Charles Danielson, case number 2016 CF 30316. Verdict. Count 1. We, the jury, find as follows as to count 1 of the indictment, first degree murder. The defendant is guilty of first degree murder.
Going to jail.
We, the jury, find as follows as to count 2 of the indictment, conspiracy to commit first degree murder. The defendant is guilty of conspiracy to commit first degree murder. Count 3. We, the jury, find as follows as to count 3 of the indictment, solicitation to commit first degree murder. The defendant is guilty of solicitation to commit first degree murder. So say we all the 6th day of November, 2023.
Does the defense wish for the court to poll the jurors?
Yes, Your Honor.
Juror Moore, was your verdict and the verdict of the jury as a whole just announced? Juror Brazos, was your verdict and the verdict of the jury as a whole just announced? Juror Gardner, was your verdict and the verdict of the jury as a whole just announced? Juror Strong, was your verdict and the verdict of the jury as a whole just announced?
Yes, sir.
Juror Kraft, was your verdict and the verdict of the jury as a whole just announced?
Yes, Your Honor.
Juror Milne, was your verdict and the verdict of the jury as a whole just announced?
Yes, sir.
Juror Hawley, was your verdict and the verdict of the jury as a whole just announced?
Got him. They got him. They got him, real deal. Yes. Sorry. I'm sorry. So excited. I'm sorry. Woo, they got him.
Thorne, was your verdict and the verdict of the jury as a whole just announced? Juror Brim, was your verdict and the verdict of the jury as a whole just announced? jury, I'm going to give you one last brief instruction, and from here, you will be discharged from your service. On behalf of the parties, the lawyers, and the people of the state of Florida, I want to thank you for your time and consideration of this case. I'm also going to advise you of some special privileges that are enjoyed by jurors. Third in the jury room, except by court order. For many centuries, our society has relied upon juries for consideration of difficult cases. We have recognized for hundreds of years that a jury's deliberations, discussions, and votes should remain private affair for as long as they wish it. Therefore, the law gives you a unique privilege not to are not permitted to initiate any communication with you concerning the trial. However, you may speak to the lawyers or anyone else about the trial if you desire. You also have the right to refuse to speak with anyone. A request may come from those who are simply curious or from those who might seek to find fault with this decision. It will be up to you to decide whether to preserve your privacy as a juror. We give you our sincere thanks for the work that you have performed over this 2-week trial. You are discharged. Have a wonderful evening.
I don't know why he looking like that. His mama in trouble too, y'all. His mother is. His mother fled away. She part of the problem. Let's see. Let me let y'all hear about his mom. Mom tried to flee, try to leave y'all. Yeah, the mom arrested. He tried. They don't know, but we gonna find out. Okay, let me make sure y'all hooked up. Hold on. Yeah, and the mother. Yes, the mother.
Was arrested just days after her son's conviction in the murder for hire plot against his former brother-in-law, Dan Markel, in that case. Adelson family matriarch, the mother, 1 week after Charlie Adelson, her son, was found guilty in the first-degree murder in the 2014 death of Markel. A former Florida State professor, Charlie Adelson's conviction made him the 4th person in Dan Mark to be convicted in the case. The triggerman, Fredo Garcia, and Adelson's ex-girlfriend, Catherine Magbanwa, were found guilty in separate trials. Third man, Louis Rivera, took a plea deal for second-degree murder and cooperated with law enforcement authorities in the prosecution of the remaining co-defendants. Donald Adelson was worked after she and her husband allegedly purchased one-way tickets to Vietnam. Why not?
What?
Authorities booked her on an out-of-county felony warrant, but no charges have been specified yet. With me right now to break this all down as a special guest and criminal defense attorney, Jan, who has been following the Dan Markel murder case from the very beginning. Tim, I know that you are the guy because all the producers, everybody talks about our 2 awesome guests. Tim, I just want to ask you one question. Talk to me about the law enforcement procedures, the bump, and basically your viewpoint on how investigators went about developing this evidence.
So the most